the shit. That is. Man.
I know you not finna spin it.
Hey, what? Hey, he was sliding that bit. Hey.
Whip it up, Bill.
These niggas, fuck these niggas. Talking about.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reed. We back with another video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell button for me for the one time, you know what I'm saying? And make sure you share the videos. Tonight, I went to a car meet. I know I said I wasn't going to go to a car meet, but I went to a car meet. I had to see Swervo. I had to see Vaughn slang they whips, you know what I'm saying? It's only right to show the support, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to need y'all to show the support and like, subscribe, hit that notification bell button for me, and stay tuned to the end of the video. And I'm going to let y'all know something. I was not behind the camera tonight, you know. Shout out to Chris, you know what I'm saying, for willing to want to help me out with the recording and all that. But, hey, man, we finna get into this mother video.
That shit wild, bro.
Send me daddy.
I said Chris daddy.
I bet.
You lucky I don't got my Hellcat. Hear that bitch? Wow. You ain't gonna get sliding. Sorry, guy. I don't know where he at though.
Come on. Catch up.
Oh, there he is.
There you go. I ain't even see him.
That's wow, bro. Y'all sliding.
I'll pull up right next to me. Check recording.
Ah, just slide that bit.
It's sliding.
Just slide that bit. Hey, I flicked that bitch off in the doors.
That bitch loud. I'm telling you, bro. Like in his charger,
Yeah, that
it
shit
don't
loud.
sound loud. But like when you hearing it out the window, bro,
Yeah,
that
that's
shit
true.
is loud,
Yeah,
bro.
bro. Your ass sliding.
Bro, that
Y'all
shit is
sliding.
loud, bro. Go kids.
Ah, he slide that bitch. Shit. Oh, just trying to take off? Oh, who that is? Who that is? Oh, bitch ass nigga. Fuck these niggas. Fuck these niggas. Talking about. Yo, man, it's about time, bro. It's about time we go crazy, bro.
And he right behind us too.
He is. Look at him. Look at him. Fuck niggas don't try to pull up by us. Stop playing with us. Feel me? They're like, oh, that Mopar. Come on, man. Y'all know Tariq like, man, I hope you got that bitch, y'all. Yo, I'm on it. I got that bitch.
No car, no car, nigga.
You feel me? You was just talking about cruising. They right behind us, huh? Shit, yeah, they right there. That camera looking clear. I wiped that bit off too. Just now sleep. He's like, hell nah, that shit too loud. He like, I can't sleep through this shit. What? Look at him. Man, get fucked on these niggas, bro.
Like I can't.
Roll that bit down. Hey, look, bro. This what's gonna happen. We gonna dust your stupid ass, nigga. We going crazy in this bitch. You feel me? We got the over that boy. What I told you back?
On my memory. What'd he say?
He said make sure I use all his memory. Nigga, you gonna make sure you get these memories, boy.
Hey, spin them tires.
Nah.
You wanna spin tires?
I gotta record this, bro. You should. Okay, it's over here. Okay. A little something. You said, fuck it, we going the wrong way. Wait, girl, what you doing, man? Hey, bro. This truck tweaking, bro. Was it across the other one? Shoot, bro. Oh, okay. I see what's going on. Where we at? Yeah.
We right by there.
What's Tariq calling? Yo. Oh yeah, I got it.
I think that request me.
I gotta request you.
Yeah.
We trying to pull up right now. I'm coming right now though.
It's like literally like you gonna see the wall on this corner. It's like right behind that.
Hold on. I got a request. Out of there. Oh, the cop right there. It's a cop right there.
That's cool, it's cool.
Oh, he's trying to get people.
They only looking for the people that was spinning.
Really?
Yup.
Interesting.
Well, everybody be doing that shit, so whatever the fuck y'all watching this at, let me know.
Oh, look at him. Trying to get people license tag and shit. Trying to get people license tag and shit. Let us go by. Let his ass go by. Bitch ass nigga.
Chris, where you at? Like, what you want?
We by AutoZone. Turn the left by AutoZone. Everybody turn left. You heard that?
Because I'm in front of the Wawa, bro.
All the Wawa.
Going North Florida.
You going? Bro, I don't even see the Wawa. Bro. We're over here by the other plaza, bro. Like everybody's turning.
Oh, so they using both plazas?
Yes. There was slide. I got a whole record. I'm recording that bit right now. That shit wild, bro. Shit wild.
Oh, Chris,
Hey. That shit wild, boy. That shit wild. Who that is? Good thing, bro, just in case though, bro. Real shit. It is hot out here. Like it's cool, but it's hot out here. I'll talk about that shit. Hold on.
Why you ain't erased the marrow?
Cause the cops, they see my ass.
Hey,
I'm locked up.
like 4 miles, make it right.
I need your ID, registration, license. Yeah. She ain't shooting nobody. You're lucky they had that sunroof over there. I was gonna throw some lava in that bit.
We can get the lava.
My pocket.
Bro, what I hate, bro, but at the waste spots, nigga, they pick the smallest spot to take in.
That bit nice.
Huh?
Wide body, that bit wide body scatty.
Nasty shit on my channel. Better watch that car.
I can't even sue him. He gonna fuck my leg. What? That's wild. Chilling. Feel you on that, bro. I'm trying to look where everybody's movement is. I see a boy with the wrap over there.
Yeah. That's my boy Aki. Take that thing.
Get the underglow lights.
Hold on.
That's wild, bro. I seen you sling that bit though.
Yeah, man.
I seen that bit. I ain't gonna
That
cap.
bitch want to sling. That bitch want to get rid.
I seen that bit. I was like, okay. You feel me? You gotta hold that bit straight so it's gonna stay steady. You feel me?
Hey.
Swervo? You Swervo car in there? That bit nice. You feel me? That bit suit? Nah.
I just seen that nigga in a minute. Y'all remember him, right? Who? Nick Witchy?
Oh, yeah. We got about 30 seconds.
Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Here we go. This
That's what I'm saying, bro. Bro, stop with that shit. Bro, this nigga cannot drive.
That shit actually hurt.
That shit wild in the bitch. That shit wild.
You make YouTube? I seen somebody, I seen it myself on somebody's video the other day.
Real?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know his name. I think it starts with a D or something like that.
What they finna do? crazy then. Go crazy then. Yes, sir. He's slanging that bit. Okay. Hey. Hey. Hey, hold up. Hey, boy, your tires on fire. What the fuck going on with y'all, bro? The fuck? Hey. Jit got his tires steaming. Let me get the zoom action on that bitch, you feel me? Got the tires steaming, you feel me? That boy, they over there, man. I had to come over here for you, you feel me? Yes, sir. Fuck it. Yes, sir. Nah, I just slide that bitch. Just slide that bitch. Boy, hey, if I was sliding that bitch, he did, bro. He was sliding that bitch. I recorded that. bitch.
You was over there the whole time?
Yeah, I was recording him. He was going crazy. He going crazy, bro.
I'm like, what the fuck?
Yo, what's up, bro? We all been there.
What? What's up, bro? Dang, man, them tires on fire, you feel me? What's up, cuzzo? What's up, cuzzo?
You finna spin it?
But, man.
I know you not finna spin it.
Hey, what? Hey, he was sliding that bit. Hey.
Whipping that bit over there.
You feel me?
We're just whipping over there, y'all.
Hey, I got that bit. Hey.
He got it on video.
Yeah, that bit suit though. I ain't gonna cap. Mom was sliding that bit.
Spin that bit.
He was sliding that bit. I ain't gonna cap with you.
Regulated shit.
You feel me? Hey, man, he all out there in the door, you feel me?
He was doing that shit over there.
That's Hey, sling that.
I like that bit. Crispy, boy. Damn, boy.
scared in the sunroof. That's how this fucking
This shit fun.
Well, that AC ain't
You go
moving.
wide, I'm gonna tap that back. I'm gonna get the left side when you go wide, boy.
Hey, lucky I'm on wires. I would have kept going. This shit.
I mean, it Chandler, man, that bit live, bro. What? That's wild. Oh, we got the art. I think that's the RT coming out. Oh, swerve about it. He can't be walking away like that. Yeah. Turn that bitch on, nigga. Ah, shit. Hey. We out of there. We out of there.
Breathe. Time smoke.